Hula hoop tricks around the waist. Hula hooping around your waist. This is a trick that can be very hard at first, but if you stay with it, you can do it. It could take you anywhere from days to years to learn. But the trick is to not give up. Just keep trying. Here are some helpful clues.
Alright, the first challenge we're going to do today is just the basic hula hooping around your waist. When you hula hoop around your waist, please make sure when you start that hoop that you have the hula hoop touching your back. Because if it's not touching your back, try to spin it. Is that going to work? No. You need to make sure it's touching your back. Once it is touching your back and you spin that hoop, you count to 3. 1, 2, 3, spin that hoop. When it starts spinning, you need to move forward and back and bend your knees to try to keep that hoop going as long as you can. You want to keep it going as long as you can. If it falls down, what should you do? Everybody say, keep on trying. Don't give up.
Don't forget that you should always be practicing the trick the class is working on, and stop on the whistle and sit crisscross in your hoop without touching it. Spinning the hoop on its side. See if you can spin the hoop on its side. It's easiest to do this trick if the hoop is standing straight up when you start. If it's already starting to lean to one side before you let it go, it usually will not stay up as long. Spinning the hoop on one arm. See if you can make the hoop spin around on your arm.
The next one is the arm hoop. When you are doing the arm hoop, you're going to hold your arm out straight. Please do not touch your hoop while I'm talking. You're going to hold your arm out straight. Make sure that your arm stays straight and you tighten those muscles up as tight as you can. Then you're going to put your hoop on one arm. You're going to swing it back and forth just like this. And then you're going to push your hoop down with your other hand, just like this. And when you push it down, that hoop's going to start moving around. Is my arm moving around?
Yeah.
Making some tiny, tiny circles. Is it making big circles?
No.
No. You just need to make a tiny, tiny circle with your arm. Keep those muscles nice and tight, okay? Try to keep it as straight as you can, and then you get that arm moving. Once you get the hang of it, you might be able to put your other hand in and switch to the other arm without stopping. Make sure you got both of those arms nice and straight when you put your arm in to switch it up. Okay, everybody got it?
Yeah.
You can also use your hula hoop as a jump rope.
Jump rope, okay? Jump rope, or like this.
Taking your hula hoop for a walk. Stand your hoop on its side and rock it back and forth a few times and then push it so it rolls by itself.